Greetings traders, it's Thursday, June 28th, 2018. I've had a really good day today. Unfortunately, I did not get it on camera, although I did try. There's something wrong with my recorder. I'm just going to reinstall it. Should be fine after that, I hope. But anyway, I've done very well trading. I may take another entry. I've done very well trading today, up about what, 60, 70 ticks. 70 ticks today. So, it's been a very good day. The codes are good. A little bit tricky out there though, but half tricky, half not tricky. It's, you know, day could be better, but it could be a lot worse too. It's a pretty good day. And, anyway, I just am really bummed out about these videos getting messed up. Anyway, I will fix the problem. I might take another trade. I'm just watching it right now. Yeah, I'm gonna take another trade right here. Okay, we're going long. Let me set the stop. I'll be right back. Hold on, let me look at it. Hang on, I'll be right back. No, I can't do the pause and the start too often. That's what always messes me up, I think. So I'm just gonna kind of leave it alone a little bit, okay? My stop is down at 18. My exit, I'm gonna place it for. I'm just gonna go for 30 ticks on this trade. 28, 68. We'll back it off to 58 for 30 ticks on the trade. I'm also gonna play a break-even stop here. I'm gonna be a bit conservative here. Let me let it get to about 45, and then I'll place a break-even stop on it. I'll be back. All right, let me just go ahead and place a break-even stop on this thing. Okay, we'll take it from up here up to 29. One tick ahead for a break-even stop. Now, if it comes back down, it's just gonna break me even. Otherwise, if it keeps going up, then I'll take a 30-tick trade off of it. Anyway, I will come back. Okay, it's shooting up here, going up towards the exit. For a 30-tick trade, just went to 56 right there.
Market data connection lost.
I don't know if you could hear that. If you could hear that.
Market data connection reestablished.
Sorry. If you can hear that, that's my, it's my other software. It's Interactive Brokers. Anyway, I am going to come back. It went to 56 and my exit's at 58. Boy, I hate it when it does stuff like that. You know, just a couple ticks away or one tick away. That'll drive you crazy. But anyway, no big deal. If it comes down and breaks me even, no big deal. Goes up and hits the exit, great. Just another day using the codes. That's all it is. It's like I'm going to go over 100 ticks today. Maybe. Okay, I'll come right back. Hopefully it won't take too long to make it here. Yeah, it's twice. It just bounced off 56. I'm going to go for more ticks. Once it breaks that 56, it's going to go higher. So let's take it from 58 up to 68 for an extra 10 ticks. I'll come back. I'm going to adjust the stop up to 44 here. Let's lock in some ticks. At 38, that's what, 16 ticks. 16 ticks locked in. Okay, let's see if it'll go for it here. It just broke the high right there. Seems to go a little higher up to 68. We got it. For an extra I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, I'm looking to get out up here. One little move back up, and I'm gonna get out. I'll come back. You should see the way this thing's moving. It just goes up and it goes down. It goes up and it goes down. It's kind of funny. Kind of nerve-wracking too. I just want to see it make the break. It's the high is like 60 right now. I want to see it just break above 60, and then I'm just going to jump out. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, adjusting the stop up to 49. Lock in a few more ticks. I'll come back. Okay, looks like it's going for the exit here. I'm just going to jump out of this thing. Okay, I'm all done. All done for today. It's a good day. Oh, look at it. Now it shoots up. Oh, thanks a lot. Anyway, it was a good day today. I am, the codes are just, you know, they have done something to the code, which in total irony has made it more simple than it's ever been. You know, you'd think if they were going to change the code, they would change it to be something more difficult, right? That only makes sense, right? And now they've changed to something that's even easier. I mean, maybe the programmers are on our side now. I don't know. Maybe they're rebelling, and they're all on our side. Because if they're not, then, you know, I don't even have words to even say what I feel. I mean, I'm assuming they're on our side because they just made it a lot more simple. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow to do some more trading, and assuming I don't go out on Friday night. I don't have any plans to, so I'll probably stay home and I'll just do some trading. And Friday probably be a good day too. Last Friday was really good. Anyway, I hope all of you traders are doing well. Hope all of you traders who are thinking about getting into the codes or being inspired by them, because you will truly love the codes when you learn of them. And hope all of you code traders are doing really super well, especially you charting subscribers. These trades are, you know, they can be a little bit tricky, but if you see what they're doing, you can easily not be tricked by it and just go with the trick, you know. Like I said today, just jump on somewhere and hang on, and that's what I did. And it was not too hard. Both of the codes I called, both worked really good too. And then the rollover code worked. Just everything working. I just took the last code at the temp because that's what it's been showing to come off of. You know, I mean, it's not rocket science. You know, it's just, you just have to get in tuned with it, get in tune with the code, you know, and see it, and then you can work the magic and do what you want to do, basically every day. Well, especially right now. I mean, right now it's just, you know, I don't know what's going on. I really don't. They just, you know, ever since I discovered the codes and I started teaching them in 2010, they have been doing things systematically to make it more difficult. And they have been doing that, you know, and they've been doing it for a long time now. And every time they do something, I have to break it and go and teach how to you know, how to take advantage of it and blah blah blah, right? Well, now, like I said, in total irony, they just made it so that now it's even easier. I mean, and now it's even more profitable. I mean, you know, what on earth is going on? I mean, I mean, surely they're not that stupid, right? They're not possibly that stupid. I mean, yeah, I don't even want to go to that route. They're not that stupid, right? They must be doing it on purpose then. They're trying to help us, obviously. I think they're rebelling. You know, they have like a conscience or something, and they're rebelling and saying, okay, well, we're going to make this even easier for everybody. You know, I really don't know what's going on, but it's totally, it's not something I ever thought would happen, and it's happening. And so trading has become a bit easier now using the codes, where you can make even more money than even before by taking multiple different trades. But still, you have the power to basically make as much as you want now. Anyway, let's hope it lasts for a long, long time and gets even better. I could even see the day coming where this thing starts moving really big again like it used to. I mean, like 200 ticks a day. Oh, man, I'll be happy. No, I take that back. Forget 200 ticks a day. I'm talking like 500 ticks a day. 1,000 ticks a day. Yeah, I used to do that. I used to do that back in like 2009 when oil ran up to $147 a barrel. I used to do 1,000 ticks in a day. It's crazy. And but I'd be happy with just 200 again. Boy, that would be nice. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow, everyone. Hope you're doing well in your trading. See you tomorrow. Happy trading out there.